Middle. I didn't see that. Yeah.
Is that gray building in play over there?
What?
Wait up, that gray building way over there is in play?
Yeah. He's in the building.
Hey, watch out, he's on the corner of that building right there. Coming towards us? Yeah. Got him.
Got him?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna move, move that way.
Alright. I'll cover you.
Come on! Go inside the building too if you can. Take the building. You got this way.
I see him. Through that window?
Hey, this track is looking like a better idea, guys. You can run. I don't think they can hit you. Just run that way. Really fast.
Where they at? The blue?
You can see them right there. Do you see them?
No.
Behind the blue, right here. You can look through
I
there.
see him.
You're hitting the window.
Is that your ATP? What? Oh, hey.
Behind the boxes!
Do we win? I just got 3 kills, man. He's in the doorway of the blue building.
Hey, right there, blue building!
Call that, man. You got a few? Crap.
Behind the white van! Hey!
Blue?
No, you can scoot up to this building right here.
Where is he?
Is that him? Is that a guy?
I don't. Yeah! Got 2 kills in the last 10 seconds. Man, I lit that game up.
Yeah! Do something, man.
I got like at least 10 kills. High five.
I have to high five the dude who got the flag.